Isikhungo esigunyaza ulwazi Information Regulator safaka lesi sicelo ngoba sithi uMnyango Wemfundo Eyisisekelo awuyicelanga imvume kubafundi ukuba kushicilelwe imiphumela yabo emaphephandabeni.
The present manner of publication has been followed for at least 3 consecutive years. Why should this year be treated differently? I therefore conclude that the matter is not urgent and should be struck from the roll.
uMnyango Wemfundo Eyisisekelo usemukele isinqumo senkantolo.
Where the agency came from is something that we battled to understand, and as we indicated yesterday, the judge has agreed with us that there's no agency. So we really need to go back now and work on the detail of what the information regulator wants in terms of their powers as well as the responsibility of the department insofar as the handling of personal information is concerned.
Kodwa isikhungo esigunyaza ulwazi sithi siphoxekile ngalesi sinqumo.
As the regulator, we'll go back and consider what our options are. Remember that there's still an issue around the appeal by the Department of Basic Education. As far as we know, there is no appeal yet. If at a point where they decide to lodge the appeal, then we will have an opportunity to have some of these issues that we raised here being attended to on merits.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSiviwe Gwagube kulindeleke ukuthi amemezele imiphumela kamatikuletsheni ngokwezifundazwe ngomsombuluko bese abafundi beyithola ngoLwesibili.